Number 51. The scatter plot shows the relationship between the students that travel to get to school, which is our input, or our independent variable, and the number of times those students were tardy, which is the dependent variable, right? Or the output. Now then, as the distance increases, you would think the number of tardies increase, but notice right here, there's 0. They're just scattered all over, is there? This scatter plot has no pattern. The dots are not trending upward or downward. There's no pattern, which means there's no correlation. So there's no correlation between the distance traveled and the number of tardies. The principal of the school wants to use this information to help him determine if there's a correlation between the distance traveled and the number of times tardy. There is no correlation. Which statement is a reasonable conclusion? A student who travels 1.5 will get 9 times tardy during the school year. The 1.5, you got 2 of them, don't you? That's false. A student who travels more than 3 miles to school will be tardy at least 7 times. That's not true because you have 1 right here, 2.5 and 0. There is no correlation between distance a student travels to school and the number of times they will be tardy. That is true. Let's check choice D. There is a nonlinear correlation between the distance. This does not form a parabola or a hyperbola, does it? That one is false. So the correct answer choice would be C.